every little seed. By Cynthia Schumerth and illustrated by Elisa Paganelli. Grandpa told Mom, and Mom told me. The secret of a plant lives in every little seed. Spring sends a warm and welcome breeze that melts the winter snow. It's time to plant our garden. Can't wait to watch it grow. Mom tills the earth as Grandpa rakes. I pull out stubborn weeds. The ground is soft and ready now, a home for all our seeds. I study every different seed, each filled with so much knowing. Everything they'll ever need to keep them strong and growing. And I think about what Grandpa told Mom, and Mom told me. The secret of a plant lives in every little seed. One by one and row by row, each precious seed is sown. Sun and rain will help them thrive. We'll tend them till they're grown. I gather up my garden tools, now scattered all about, and wonder when those tiny seeds will send out roots and sprout. Those clever seeds are busy, beneath the ground unseen. Already roots are burrowing, and sprouts are turning green. Soon plants stretch up and buds poke out, young tender leaves unfurl. Fragrant flowers start to bloom. Their sweet scents drift and swirl. And I believe about what Grandpa told Mom, and Mom told me. The secret of a plant lives in every little seed. Our garden bursts with signs of life, so many hungry guests. Spiders spin their silky webs, protecting plants from pests. Bees gather pollen, buzz and hum, sip nectar warm and sweet, while floating butterflies taste flowers with their feet. Proud our garden's grown so well, we sit back to enjoy it. But then we spy invasive bugs, they'll damage and destroy it. They munch and crunch their garden lunch, turn green leaves into lace. The more we look, the more we find those bugs are every place. We grab 3 cans and fill them up with sticky, soapy water. Then pick and plop those hungry pests. Just one last bug, I caught her. When days grow short and nights grow cold, our garden starts to thin. As summer dances out the door, fall knocks and marches in. Leaves droop and curl, bright colors fade, as dried up petals fall. But left behind are all those seeds, dark specks that know it all. We search through all the withered plants and harvest every seed. When spring returns, we'll plant again. We'll rake and till and weed. Sun's light will shine, soft rains will fall, each seed knows what to do. Our plants will grow and bloom once more pink, yellow, red, and blue. And I won't forget what Grandpa told Mom, and Mom told me. The secret of a plant lives in every little seed.